Good morning, primary school. It's Friday, May 25th, and it's day F. I'm Kate Dog.
And I'm Tiba, and here are your morning announcements. This morning there will be an upper primary assembly led by 4C. It will be a workshop-style assembly. Make sure to check it out on my Schmidt to see who is coming to your class.
We'll be hosting students from Eton House today from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. They'll be having recess on the adventure playground, so it'll be dedicated to them. Please find another space to play today.
Thank you to everyone who took a risk and auditioned for the talent show. Wow, we were very impressed. There were so many to choose from that we need to have a call back next week to see some acts again. A first cut list will be posted at the end of the school day outside the primary office for those who are moving through to the next round. Practice over the weekend, and a list will be posted by the primary office to tell you what day you will be performing and where to meet.
Studio 5 will be having their transition to grade 6 day next week on the Tuesday and Thursday from 8:45 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. 5A and 5B on Tuesday and 5C and 5D on Thursday.
Take the pledge, no more single use. You can start by refusing plastic straws and using bamboo ones, bringing your own reusable bottles and using cloth bags.
Makerspace is open to grade 1, 2s and 3s today morning recess.
Joke of the day. What do you get when you cross a cow and a rabbit?
What?
Hair in your milk.
Random fact of the day. M&Ms were created for soldiers because the chocolate doesn't melt.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Dim run.
That's it for today's morning announcements, and have a fantastic Friday.
Kabo Tiba out.